Hello, boys and girls. We're on week 34. We're on day 4. And we're still studying perimeter and area. Remember, perimeter is the distance around the figure, and area is how much space the object takes up. So today we're talking about same perimeter, different area. Same perimeter, different area. Okay, so perimeter, remember your clue, you can circle your T, and that helps you remember to add all your sides. Add all your sides. So here we go, perimeter. So we have 6 on this side, we have 6, 2 up there at the top, 2 on the bottom. So when you add all your sides, 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 2 plus 2 is 4, and your perimeter is 16 units. Area. Now let's look at area here. Now, remember, your area is how much space an object takes up. And what you could do, you have all your numbers on all sides, but you need to remember that you only use your formula. So the formula is length times width. So that means you'd only use 2 of your numbers. You use just your length and just your width. So you would multiply 2 times 6, and that would give you your area, which is 12 units square. Okay, here's another example. Okay, another example, perimeter. Let's do our numbers. You have 4 on this side, 4 over here, and you have 4 over here. Remember, you can add all your sides. That's 8 plus 4 plus 4 is 8, and that would equal 16 units. 16 units. Okay, 16 units. Area, remember, I have all my numbers around my shape, but remember, you got to remember, if you have your numbers, remember to use your formula, length times width. So you would go 4 times 4, which is 16 units square. 16 units square. All right, let's do these two figures. Perimeter again. Okay, we have 4 here at the top. We need 4 at the bottom. 6 on this side and 6. And the reason why I'm putting my numbers all the way around my shape is because, and remember, perimeter is distance around the figure. You have to add all your numbers all the way around the shape. So you go 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 6 plus 6 is 12. So your answer is 20 units. 20 units. Area, here's your formula, length times width. 4 times 6, which is equal to 24 units square. Let's do one more together. Perimeter, remember, add distance around the figure, add all your sides. So you have 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, 8 on this side, 8. So you'd go 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 8 is 16. And your perimeter is 20 units. 20 units. Sorry. Your area, remember, use your formula, length times width. So it will be 2 times 8, which is equal to 16 units square. 16 units square. Okay, now pause your video, and here are some figures to do for perimeter and area. And I'll wait on you just a minute for you to do these 2 shapes. Go. Okay, so I'm glad you're back with me. Perimeter, again, is distance around the figure. 10 over here, you have 10 over here. 3 over here, you have 3 over here. So you would add 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 3. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 3 plus 3 is 6, and your perimeter is 26 units. Let's find our area. Remember, you're doing length times width, so you're doing 3 times 10, which would be 30 units square. If you got those 2 answers, you did wonderful. Let's check you on this shape. Perimeter, remember, distance around the shape. You have 9 over here, 9, you have 4 over there, and you have 4 at the bottom. So you go 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 4 plus 4 is 8. So you would get 26 units. 26 units. Your area is distance, how much space the object is taking up. So that means you would use your formula, length times width. So you go 4 times 9, which is 36 units square. Okay, pause your video. We have 2 more to do. So I'm going to wait on you to do those. Okay, I'm glad you're back. Perimeter, distance around the figure, 6 on this side, 6. You have 5 over here and 5. So you go 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 5 plus 5 is 10. So you would have 22 units. 22 units. Your area here, remember, use your formula, length times width, so you won't get confused because you're going to have all your numbers all the way around it. Then you do 5 times 6, which is 30 units square. Your last one, hopefully you got those 2 answers. Your last one, okay, your perimeter, remember distance around your shape. You have 8 on this side, 8 here, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. You would go 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 3 plus 3 is 6. And when you add it up, you have 22 units. 22 units. And your area, remember, use your formula, length times width. So you go 3 times 8, which is 24 units square. Okay, if you got all those correct, you did great today. See you tomorrow.